Good morning. I really need to rethink my lifestyle choices.
I think you're doing fine, Ramon.
That's because you're nice. Oh, there it is.
We're in the Hall of Fame! In the Hall of Fame! Ramon!
Hey, sorry. Got sidetracked it, okay? Look at this, though. Wait, where do I sit? Oh, okay, guess I drive like this. All right. Yeah. There he is. Where should we go, Lasher? Where should we go? I haven't felt this happy in forever.
How about you go to Applebee's?
Why Applebee's?
Because one day, you're gonna get drunk, and you're gonna regret everything, lying in the bathtub, and be thinking, I never went to Applebee's.
What?
Go there.